Since its arrival in the UAE in 1939, Total has always taken great care to respect the environment of the Emirates. It quickly entered into partnership with local companies and has strived to support the UAE's development through multiple initiatives that aim to give something back to the environment. Its Shams solar power plant, in partnership with Masdar, another local company, aims to provide clean power from the sun. Its Dugong Conservation Program, in partnership with the Environmental Agency of Abu Dhabi, aims to support the population of this marine mammal in UAE waters. In parallel to these initiatives, the group's offshore supercomplex, Total Abu al-Bukhush, contributes substantial revenue to the Emirates to power its economy, its infrastructure, and its development. However, this comes at a price.
We knew the challenge would be big for Total Abu al-Bukhush. What we need to do is to change and modify part of our operating philosophy.
So Total ADIPEC is pumping crude oil, which contains a lot of impurity, but delivers commercial oil. So therefore we have to flare. And in order to reduce our environmental footprint as much as we can, we work very hard to reduce the flaring, and we will continue to do so whilst maintaining a very high quality product.
Environment and flaring in particular, it's an issue not only for Total ADIPEC, it's an issue for ADNOC, SPC, and for the country.
Oil and gas production is critical for the UAE because it gives the financial wealth in order to develop. But at the same time, we have, and we all have, a genuine concern about caring for the environment.
Because of its concern for the environmental impact of its activities, Total took the initiative to commission an internal review of its operations in order to assess specifically how to reduce its flaring and greenhouse gases emissions.
So we have established a task force in order to come up with ideas and solutions to tackle this very important issue. And we were ready to accept some losses in production in order to protect the environment.
Definitely our conclusion is the benefit to the environment outweighs a lot the oil loss that we're going to sustain.
What was needed was a new approach to Total's operational methods. Even though it would have an impact on its production output and the related revenue, and despite the significant cost required, Total pushed ahead and first invested heavily in gas compression technology to finally develop a fresh approach to flaring management in every aspect of its platform operations. The results were immediate and significant.
The immediate concrete results that we have obtained by implementing this project is 50% reduction in flaring, 40% reduction in greenhouse gas.
As the general manager of Total Abu al-Bukhush, I'm really proud of this achievement, which brought a lot of fruits just by thinking out of the box and encouraging people to be innovative. Our partners, INPEX, has also contributed in achieving this.
Total continues to push towards zero flaring with innovative ideas to go beyond operational expertise for an ever smaller environmental footprint.
We made already a massive impact and the results are here. But we are committing in the long term and we are committing to improve even more.
This demonstrates our Total ADIPEC commitments towards ADNOC goals and requirements and the greater environmental issue for the UAE.
Thanks to the full support of ADNOC throughout this process. The challenges that they have provided to us made us think again and again, and it helped us to challenge ourselves. We are looking forward to continue this partnership with ADNOC for the benefit of reducing the environmental impact in the UAE.